Dear viewers, let us try to know something about the adverb, the kinds of adverb and its use. I have tried to put some practice exercises as well. Hope that you will bear with me for this video which I am going to explain. So first of all, let us try to know what does an adverb mean. An adverb is a grammatical device that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another verb. Adverb. Adverbs tell us how something happens or how somebody does something. The examples are: the train stopped suddenly. She ran very fast. This is a very sweet mango. I can read this quite clearly. Now see, in this previous slide we see 4 examples. Number 1 is, you can see, the train stopped suddenly and she can run very fast. You see, suddenly and fast. Modify the verbs stopped and run. Now see, the train stopped suddenly. Though suddenly modifies the verb stopped, and fast, run very fast, it is modified, it modifies run, the verb. And sentence number 3, this is a very sweet mango. Here sweet is an adjective and the adverb very modifies the adjective. And I can read this quite clearly. Here clearly is modified by quite. Okay, so this is an adverb is modified by another adverb. So as we see here, in adverbs, it is a grammatical device that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So now you can do it yourself. He sings very badly. Now tell me, when we say he sings very badly, we see in this example that sings is modified by adverb badly. DILBER is wearing a quite fresh shirt. You see, fresh is modified by quite. So quite fresh. It is fresh, but what kind of fresh? It is quite fresh. Okay. They are beating the drum very loudly. They are beating the drum, but how are they? The drum is beating loudly, but how loudly? Very loudly. So you can see these examples here. Now let us see what are the kinds of the adverb. According to their meanings, adverbs may be divided into the following classes: adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree or quantity, adverbs of affirmation or and negation, and adverbs of reason. So we can see these are almost 7 kinds of adverbs. Now, first of all, let us see what is the adverb of time. Adverbs of time show when. The word when is signified by the times, by the adverbs of time. Now you see, look at the following examples. I go to school daily. Now see, I hurt my knee yesterday. He has told me this already. They formerly lived here. Now you see, the words daily, yesterday, already, formerly tell us when something happens. In the above sentences, they tell us time and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of time. So adverbs of time show when. You can see these examples. I go to school daily. I hurt my knee yesterday. He has told me this already. They formerly lived here. The words daily, yesterday, already and formerly tell us when did something happen. So in the above sentences, they tell us the time and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of time. The words like daily, already, since, yesterday, tomorrow, never, soon, ago, now, lately, etc. are the examples of the adverbs of time. Now you can try from these adverbs any adverbs. The list is given here. You can try some in your own sentences. Now let us come to the adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency show how often. Look at the following examples. The secretariat closes twice a week. He often makes mistakes. I always try to do my best. Now you see, you can see the frequency. You see how often a thing is going to happen. The secretariat closes, but it closes twice a week. He makes mistakes, but how? He makes mistakes often. He often makes mistakes. Okay? I try to do my best, but how often do you try to do your best? You always try to do your best, or I always try to do my best. In the above examples, the words twice, often, and always tell us how often did something happen. In the above sentences, they tell us the frequency and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of frequency. The words like once, always, again, often, frequently, etc. are classed as the adverbs of frequency because they tell us how often does a thing happen. Now you try a few adverbs from the above list and use them in your own sentences. Now adverbs of time, place, adverbs of place, or they show us where. They show us where. Look at the following examples. My brother is out at the moment. My brother is out at the moment. The lamb followed me everywhere. The stars shine high above in the sky. Now you see, my brother is out at the moment. Means, where is he at the moment? He is out at the moment. Okay? Now, the lamb is following me. Where does it follow me? It follows me everywhere. The stars shine, where are they shining? High above in the sky. In the above examples, the words out, everywhere, and above tell us where did something happen. In the above sentences, they tell us the place and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of place. The words like, in, away, backward, up, there, here, etc. are classed as the adverbs of frequency because they tell us where does something happen. Now you try a few adverbs from the above list and use them in your own sentences. Now, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner show how or what. Look at the following examples. I can read clearly. Now you see, I can read, but how can I read? Clearly. How can I read? I can read clearly. So clearly is an adverb of manner. The Indians fought the British bravely. How did Indians fight the British? They fought the British bravely. Now bravely is also an adverb of manner. The story is well written. What kind of story is it? It is well written. Well is an adverb of manner. The young boy was slowly and sadly laid to rest. Now, slowly and sadly laid to rest. Slowly and sadly are the adverbs of manner. Now you can see also rest is written in black, but it is not like that. It is a typing mistake. So sadly and slowly, because I have already written in the coming lines. Now see, in the above examples, the words clearly, bravely, well, slowly, and sadly tell us how or in what manner did something happen. In the above sentences, they tell us the manner and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of manner. The words like apparently, evidently, obviously, clearly, covertly, they tell us the manner of an adverb, so therefore they are the adverbs of manner. Now the words like these, covertly, etc., obviously may be used. Please use them, okay? Because they tell us how or in what manner does a thing happen. You use some of these adverbs in your own sentences. Okay? Now, adverbs of degree or quantity. Adverbs of degree or quantity show how much or in what degree or to what extent did something happen. What was the frequency of something happening? Look at the following examples. He sings pretty well. How does he sing? How much? She sings well, pretty well, pretty well. Oh, you are too careless. And how can you be so careless? You are too careless. This is one sentence. You are too careless. You are careless, but you are too careless. Too careless. Or how can you be so careless or so careless? So and too, or the adverbs of quantity or degree of quantity. They tell us how. Now see, the words, these apple have almost ripened. They have almost ripened. So they are not 100% ripened, but they are almost ripened. So the words pretty, to, so, and almost tell us how much or in what degree or to what extent does something happen. In the above sentences, they tell us the degree, quantity, or extent, and therefore may be classed as the adverbs of degree or quantity. The words fully, almost, nearly, altogether, partly, rather, etc. are the examples of adverbs of degree or quality. So, the few words, the few adverbs can be tried. You just please try to use some of the adverbs given above in your own sentences other than they have been used by me above. Now, adverbs of affirmation and negation. Adverbs of affirmation and negation show the degree or affirmative or negation. Look at the following examples. What is affirmation? Means you can approve something or you disapprove something, like that. Okay, you are surely mistaken. I do not know him. He was definitely, he will definitely participate in the program. Now you see, it is affirmation. Definitely means affirmation, not means negation. Surely means affirmation. Now you see, in the above examples, the words surely, not, and indefinitely show us the negation or affirmation of something. In the above sentences, they tell us the affirm about the affirmation or negation and may be classed as the adverbs of place. The words certainly, definitely, never, ever, okay, are classed as the adverbs of affirmation or negation. Now try a few adverbs from the above list and use them in your own sentences. Now, adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason tell us the consequence of something. For example, you do something and you get a result for that. And that is called the adverb of reason. The word you use there for that very result is the adverb of reason. Now you see these examples. He was punished and therefore left the school. When he was punished, now the result came, the reason was therefore he left the school. Therefore is the adverb of reason. Hence, the problem is solved. Now you have solved a problem and you say hence the problem is solved. So hence is the adverb of reason. In the above examples, the words therefore and hence show us the consequence of something. In the above sentences, they tell us about the reason and may be classed as the adverbs of reason. The words like thence, hence, therefore, so, etc. are classed as the adverbs of affirmation or negation. You may get confused because you have also seen so is used there. How can you be so careless? It is here like this. You are too careless, or how can you be so careless? You see, this is language. Language can be used. Language can be used in different ways and in different things. One word can mean different things. Okay, like this. Say for example, so you can have, because language is arbitrary, it is not based on logic, and we have to stick to the rules that have been laid by the native speakers of a particular language, and therefore it is here you can see see so is an adverb of reason, and you can see so is also an adverb of this like this you see over here, adverb of quantity or adverb of degree. Now accordingly, you use some adverbs from the above list and use them in your own sentences. Now please remember one thing, that some adverbs may belong to more than one class, as I was trying to tell to you, as I was trying to convey, as that some adverbs may belong to more than one class. Example is, he sings delightfully. Now you see, he sings delightfully, the weather is delightfully cool. These are two sentences. Delightfully is in both places. He sings delightfully, it is an adverb of manner. So here, adverb of manner, delightfully is the adverb of manner. And here, the weather is delightfully cool. In this sentence, adverb of it is an adverb of degree. So delightfully can be used as an adverb of manner and as an adverb of degree. Don't go far, it is an adverb of place. Don't go far, don't go far, it's an adverb of place. For is an adverb of place. He is far better now, far better is an adverb of degree. So you can see that one adverb is used for more than one kind of an adverb, therefore they can belong to more than one class of adverbs. Hope that you might take the exercise seriously. You will ponder over it. You will just consult your textbooks, your grammar books, and just see for more examples. Till then, hope that I have been able to convey whatever I could convey in this behalf. For that, thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.